Hey Mark, how's it going?
So you got some things on the rental market in Barrie that we kind of stumbled upon in a sense and seeing some active listings and go, wow, that's a lot of inventory.
I have seen an alarming stat. Yes. So, in Barrie, like 7 or 8 years ago, maybe I went to this big CMHC thing, and Barrie was one of the top investor cities in
Oh,
Ontario because the prices were so much lower than Toronto and the rent was actually higher than Toronto.
yep,
So
yep.
Barrie was a big investor city, said it was a great place to invest, blah, 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 pushing investors. And we had, both of us had quite a number of investor clients, right?
We don't anymore.
No, we don't.
They're
Um,
not buying.
no, but I saw the stat and I'm going to share this because like it's unbelievable to me because you and I have rented out properties and usually a month or two, right?
Yeah.
So in houses, okay, we have 235 listings available.
And they all go from one bedroom right up to, I'm seeing like a
Okay,
zero.
so this is what the story is. Two,
Okay.
almost half of them are upper and lower rentals.
Correct. Yep. Yep.
Almost half.
People hate those.
Well, and so like this is a lower bedroom, one bedroom, one bath, right?
Can you go to client view?
Sorry, yes, I can. Okay.
Okay.
1275.
For one bedroom?
Little one bedroom basement. Yep. Studio apartment.
Studio.
Studio.
Okay. Take a
Okay.
look at it.
So
Oh,
then we'll even at 1500, 1550, 241, 1645 basement, two bedroom.
oh. When you can get something the one bedroom, say, in some buildings for maybe 1,800 bucks, where you're not living on top of people. Because it's not fun living on top of people, especially if they have kids,
No, no.
right?
People,
Like you're hearing,
people. Oh, this is a house I had listed, Mark.
oh wow. How long's it been trying to rent it for?
I'm going to tell you right now. I just want to see what they did in there.
You know what I find
Um,
it's really dark.
it is dark. The windows are really small.
Now, is that illegal?
Grandfathered.
Okay, I was gonna say because those windows look really small.
Yeah, they're not legal.
Oh.
Um, where does it say how long?
When you go to client, go back up,
It says April 11th.
contract date, yeah, pretty
This
new.
one is February 27th, 1649. It's an apartment.
Mhm.
This is another basement since March 6th, 1650. March 20th, another one, basement, 1650.
A lot of basements.
These, well, because these are the cheaper ones. So when
Yeah.
you're in the cheaper price range, we're in the basement. So 1650, no bedrooms. So it's like a
So
bachelor.
let's
I
get pictures on that too. That's a lot of money for a bachelor apartment.
think it's a walkout. I think I've been in this too.
It's a lot of money. There's the bedroom, so he should list it so that it should be listed as a one bedroom, not a bachelor.
He's got 0+1.
Yeah.
He doesn't know how to do the list. Like the listing is kind of off. That's all.
Yeah.
Brucker Road, basement, 1700, one bed, one bath. This is since February 14th. Basement, 1700, two bedroom. Upper, 1700 on Penetang two bed, one bath. What kind of upper is it?
There it is.
It's not bad.
I don't love the street. Thanks.
Well, it's on Penetanguishene.
Oh, road. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Remember, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. But all of these, they're all either like most of them are basement, right? At the lower price range.
Yes.
If we get into the over 2000s, okay.
Let's go to a 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom townhome. What do you get it for?
Oh, you want the whole house?
Yeah, say a 3 bedroom townhouse as an example,
Okay,
because
well
I haven't
we're
with them anymore. So I'm just curious. Oh, jumping. How much?
2600 and then you got to pay your
Your 3K with
oh
10 foot.
yeah, all your utilities.
How long's that been listed in March?
February. This one's February,
Okay.
March 17th. Like it used to take no time at all, right?
But look at the rents. 10 years ago, this rents were in half because
I
we were,
know. I know.
it's an
But
Iowa.
even yeah, so semi-detached. These are unfinished basements, right? But you're getting the whole house.
Sure.
This is only the main, 2600, just the main floor.
It's a lot of money. And the problem too is that there's, you know what I mean? People
Margaret
are
Drive, Mark, 26, main level only.
Dunsmore 2,600. Are you crazy?
2+1 bedroom.
Good luck on that one.
Cherry Hill, 26. Prince William, 2650. Bedford Estates, 2650. You do get the whole house.
Yeah. But any existing tenants that are in properties today, Dan, they're not moving if the rent's way below. They're not trading up.
No, but I mean, I remember even last year when I was looking, there was 100 and I thought that was a lot.
Yeah. I
And
think
now with everything, we are at 326.
that I can't believe I'm astonished at the rents for a townhouse, 2,600 bucks. Are you crazy?
This one since January. I think this is the entire property. This has been March, April, 2680, 2695.
Wow. And look at a lot of them are newer too, like within the last month and a half, even the
Yeah,
last.
because you know what it is. It's all these people that bought them just
Yes.
to flip them, right? Or to hold them like as an investment property. Arda 2700.
It's a lot of money.
Well, look at how many there are.
Lots to choose from.
Can you imagine?
No, no, it's too much money. Again, I have never looked at a rental board because I don't do any rentals. So I never looked to see what's available. And again, the investor clients are not, phone isn't ringing off the hook to go, let's go buy an investment property today. Rates are way too high for that. Rents are great, but they don't cover.
Well, they don't cover. They don't cover. And I mean, you look at I'm looking over and over and over and over, right?
Yeah.
Brown Bear 2750. This Georgian is just the main 2750, just the main floor.
When you're done going through some of these, let's go back and maybe pull up some solds just for April in the lease part to see if they're getting close to it. They can ask what they want, but it'd be interesting to see, right?
Well, yeah, I'll look. There's so many here, Mark. Let me go to the end.
Go.
So Blue Forest, so we're at 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Red Oak, 3,000. Codrington, 3,000. Strabane, 3,100. Huge,
Well,
eh?
I think there's a need for affordable housing. It's sure not on these pages. I'll tell you that much.
Well, can you imagine? That's the other thing that makes me mad about the government. We need affordable housing. We need to create more units, blah, blah, blah. Mark, the things these people are building are not affordable.
No,
They're freaking expensive.
expensive.
So let's try to look at the solds. Well, the
That'd be
condos right now, There's 91 condos too.
For
That
rent?
was those we were looking at, okay? Were just the freehold houses.
Okay.
These were not condos. So condos are another 91 on top of that. So what do you think a 1-bedroom condo would be renting for now?
Anywhere from 18 to 2,000, depending. Because
Yeah. Well, we got only one at 1750 Meadow Lane in Barrie.
crap.
Lakeside Terrace, 1800.
And they're only they're very small at Lake House Terrace. Like
Well, they're all lakeside here. Look.
there's tons of them. Yeah. Remember we were just having a conversation before this. Look at all the rentals in there. It's a rental
It's a
building.
whole page.
Jesus Christ. That's insane.
Yeah. It's all, and let's just see. Hold on. Since February 20th, days on the market 55, and they've reduced the price.
Yeah.
These are all Lakeside Terrace.
There's a lot.
Can you imagine? So
No.
one on ESSA Road, 1 bed, 1 bath, 2,000.
And look at the condo fees. How does it say in there?
Well, no, you know why? Because it's a rental and they're not responsible, they don't show it.
I got a call from this lady was walking down the street. My brother ended up seeing this person, a young couple out of Toronto, and they're thinking of moving up in here. And you know what they pay? They
What?
pay $2,300 a month for a 1-bedroom apartment, plus a condo fees, plus a parking fee.
Oh my God.
For over 3K for a 1-bedroom. That's insane. I said, well, that doesn't happen up here.
No, it doesn't. So now for a 2-bedroom at like culinary, we're at 2350. And like we're again at Lakeside Terrace.
Look at Bell Farm's right up there too. You
Yeah.
get a bigger size, older building. I don't mind that building. There's not a ton of rentals in there. You'd think there'd be filled with them, and it's not.
No, I
And they
know.
appreciate decent.
Yeah,
Cheap.
I don't mind it either. Chef Lane, 2450.
Yeah.
2 bed, 2 bath.
Wow.
I mean, they're cute. They're just run of the mill, normal. They're not huge. They're.
But I'd rather be in one of them than being in a basement apartment or a top level of a basement apartment any day of the week.
Yeah, well, and this is the way.
74 days of market.
Yeah. I'm trying to go to the end.
There's your end.
Wow. 2+1 bed, 3,400 on Toronto Street.
There's one at Lake House or Lack House.
That one's been March 14th,
Yep.
February 20th, February 21st,
Vitamin and 10.
February 27th, February 5th, April. Like what happened? All of a sudden, everybody's going at one time here.
That seemed like that.
Because
Yeah.
like I checked a couple weeks ago, Mark, I think there was just around 100.
Yeah.
Like I don't know what that's why I said to you, like I don't know what's going on.
People don't move in the wintertime though, too. Right? So I'm not surprised at this flood of product in a way.
It's a lot, no?
It's a lot,
Okay,
but
so let's go to unavailable.
see how it's going that way.
Sorry. Let's see. How long do you want to go for?
Just want to go from a month. So go back in March till now and see. Just to see.
Can we do it here?
I don't know what you're doing on there. Exterior. Just put sold leases.
I did, but see what's happening here? Because I picked condo and because I picked both.
They're sold, Dave. Try that.
There we go. You want to go month?
Go a month. You March 1st or whatever. I don't care. Maybe go the first, whatever.
169.
Hit it. So we don't, let's not open them up. Let's just go through them. Like, let's look at the rents. So that's quite a bit then. More than what I thought I'd see
Me too.
in a month. So we got 2 months of less a little bit, call it 2 months of supply, and it's going pretty quick. Let's show the viewers list prices to lease price. Let's see if we see anything.
It's all, well, 1899, they got 18, 1899, 18, 1900, 1850. Most of them are getting exactly the amount.
So as fast as they're coming up, let's be honest, they're going pretty quick.
Well, half, yeah, they did.
One bedroom over there at Lakeside Terrace, 2,000.
Yeah, see, there's the two of them where we're 2000, 1900, 1950, but most of them, like this was $25 off.
Yeah.
Most of them are getting, well, this one was 2050 or 2050, they got 1820.
How that? Yeah. I'm blown away at what a one bedroom condo gets you today. I'm astonished.
It's crazy, right?
People doing this. That's all I gotta say. And I
Oh,
don't
this
know,
one got over.
2375. And it's a basement.
Well, if you notice, a lot of these in the lower is either the smaller condos or the basements, right? Because like now we're halfway through,
Yeah.
and we're still getting into, like, I don't think we have, these are upper main level. They're not full houses yet.
That's unbelievable.
Like, see what I mean?
Look at this one on Larkin, 60 Larkin, 2,700 for a 3 bedroom townhome. Oh, I'm so out of tune in the rental market. I can't believe it.
I told you it's crazy.
Yep. Absolutely absurd.
It is. What I'd like to see is, I want to kind of look at one that, oh, look at this one, 2,700, they got 29.
Yeah.
There was a war there.
So there's some demand. I'll say that. And when we were looking at the actives, we're going, oh boy, a couple months to rent it? I don't think so. Inventory will be chewed up in a month and a half.
Well, the problem is, I think the upper and lower rentals are harder.
100% they are. 100% they are.
The
And they're
full houses and the oh,
condos.
look at this one.
That's a big, put Coleman and Chill. Go to client.
I am.
That must be, what level is that? It's on the whole house.
It's on the market 66 days.
Is it a basement? Second floor.
Second floor.
That's why it took some time.
Well, yeah, because what they're doing is, no, you get the upper two floors, but
Yeah.
there's somebody else in the basement.
That's yeah. Yeah.
And it was at 28, they got 2550. Like when you're getting a condo, it's all on your own, right?
Yep.
See,
Yeah.
this one, entire property, 2850. This is where we just start getting into the entire property. So 30 of the 169 is a full townhouse. This one listed 2899, only got 26.
24 days to market.
23 days, 2899 got 29. Days on market, 55 days. This one only 10, 42 days. 10, 4,
Well,
8.
you know what? There's some, I don't know how
102 days.
paying that rent.
102 days, Mark, this one.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Listed though.
Hmm?
In December, renters don't move in winter months.
No, December, January, terrible time.
Happening. Even in March. They kind of, now is the time that, okay, we're ready to go, or even March, depending. Weather changes, not so bad if it gets to be a winter snowstorm, whatever. Don't
These
list them.
ones on Phoenix, that's where my client bought, and the mortgage is like 5 grand. And they
Yeah.
only got, it was on the market 41 days. They only got 2,700 to rent.
Yep. Yep.
It doesn't even cover the mortgage. A lot of investors bought in there, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And you're gonna see that they're subsidizing some of these rent. They're keeping the properties, but if they, you know, depending what rate they're at and depending what kind of a position, down payment position they put down that mortgage, most of them are probably underwater.
Well, and why do you think all of a sudden there's such a big influx? Because this is when people are moving.
100%. Tenants don't move. Tenants are not moving in the winter months. They're not moving in November. They're not moving in December, not moving January, February, March, they start. In April, they really ramp up.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how this big influx, how fast they get rented.
We'll keep an eye on it. Something because I never thought of doing a video on the rental market because I don't know it, and then that really shows. Because I'm out of tune with the rental prices, right? Like that, I can't believe how people are surviving, paying these kind of rents.
Well, so I just rented one for a client, and nobody was renting on their own.
Well, they're grouping people.
3 or 4 people.
Yeah, yeah. They're becoming 30-year-olds are becoming students again in a sense of living with multiple people.
Well, you have to.
Choice. They don't have a choice,
Yeah.
right? The ones that have decent job, let's just say a decent job making 60, 75K, it's decent. You're spending 2K a month on renting on shelter.
You can't live.
Yeah. How do you live
You
when the
can't.
government taking half your paycheck?
You can't.
You're spending 60, 70 bucks a week on gas, and that's
Mhm.
low. That's all for a Honda Civic. If they're commuting, it's 100 on a Honda Civic. You're commuting on a truck, it's well, I filled up yesterday, $172. Whoa, whoa. Like you're $1,000 a month, maybe, for a commuter.
Yeah.
Crazy. All right, well, I think we wrapped it up. I think that's it. Thanks for doing that video on that. It's a bit of an eye opener. God, you caught that. I feel bad
Yeah.
for.
Well, I mean, I think it's interesting, and I want to see how long now this big influx takes.
Well, I don't think it's take that long based on what I saw right now in the solds.
Yeah,
Nope.
but there wasn't a lot then. Like I told you, I looked about a month or so ago.
Yeah.
There was only like 100, not 326.
Well, we know the base apartment ones will be sitting for a while. The other ones, well, we'll keep an eye on it. We'll do
Yeah.
maybe we'll see. Okay. Ciao.
See ya.